Okay, there's a kayak in my living room. I recently purchased this. Well, I hope I'm purchasing it. I'm trying it out. A friend is loaning it to me to try out. And the thing is this thing is really big. I bought it because one, I didn't know if I could lift a kayak on top of my van. Two, I wanted something easy and I wasn't sure I was going to invest into something really expensive. You see, if you watched my last Instagram post, I have lung disease. So finding me on the water is really, really strange. I don't need my oxygen if I'm just tooling around, but I do need it if I would never ever do like I used to do in my 30s, white water. I just want to do calm water. I have a life jacket. But anyway, now this is me with these lungs. Thank you, God, I've got lungs and I can breathe. Trying to get this thing into that van. This is going to be funny. Ready? Okay, I'll put plastic over my bed because, frankly, it's going to be wet when I put it back in there unless I collapse it. But I think it needs to air out when I get done. We'll see. Oh my God, wish me luck. This is going to be funny. Thank you. Well, I did it. I kayaked. I got the kayak back in. I'm not going to deflate it because it was pretty scummy when I opened it up. So I'm going to try to dry it out as much as I can. I'm not quite sure how to do that. There must be a better way. But anyway, that was incredible. I am so excited about having this. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my friend Donna at Houston Women Hiking who sold me this kayak. I'm going to send her a PayPal as soon as I get home. And I'm going to go get some lunch. I worked up an appetite. It was great. Thank you very much.